Morning students. Previously we have to discuss strength. This is the component of physical fitness. You know very well 5 component of physical fitness: strength, speed, endurance, flexibility and coordinated ability or agility. Okay. Now our next topic is, after the strength, our next topic is speed. We have to discuss now speed. It is the ability to perform movement at faster rate. Okay, movement at faster rate. In other words, it is the ability to move as fast as possible. Speed is basically depend on heredity, but can be improved. Heredity means your parents and grandfather heredity come to you. Improve through proper training. It is one of the important components for sprinting and also required for fast response skills in games and sports. Game and sports speed can be measured through reflex test and short sprint, etc. Speed is of three types. First is reaction, action and movement of speed. Reaction time. It is the time taken by the body to respond immediately after the stimulants. It can also be said as the first reaction to bring body into action. First action. Okay. Next is acceleration. It is time taken by the body to reach maximum speed. Acceleration means you are driving the bike, accelerator, you are moving accelerator and your speed is increased that time. Okay, just like that. Maximum speed, this helps to gain initial speed during action. Next, speed of movement. It is the quickness of complete action or movement. Okay, in other words, it is time taken by the body to perform complete action. It is also known as locomotor ability. Next point is endurance. Okay, it is the ability to sustain or continue activity. In other words, it is the ability to resist fatigue. It is one of the important component for middle and long distance race. That is very important. Middle and long distance race means you have maintained your efficiency without fatigue. That is called endurance. Okay, and it is required for almost all major games like football, hockey, basketball, handball, etc. It can be measured through distance, run or time factors race. Endurance also have two types: short term or anaerobic or muscular endurance. You must be learn all names: short term, anaerobic and muscular endurance, because anyone asks what is the anaerobic, what is the short term, what is the muscular endurance. Same it is second type, long term, aerobic or cardiovascular endurance. Okay, short term is this components of the endurance is help to perform activity for longer duration. This is for longer duration with the fast speed. This is the endurance where the anaerobic type of activity is done. Okay, when the intensity or speed is very fast. remember that speed is very fast. This endurance is for shorter duration and also known as muscular endurance, as activity is performed is absence of oxygen is anaerobic. Okay, with the help of stored stored energy is muscle glycogen. It produced a lot of fatigue and tiredness. It causes oxygen debt. It is required for almost all games, sports like a tennis, badminton, handball, basketball, volleyball, middle distance race, swimming, etc. Next is long term or aerobic or cardiovascular endurance. This endurance is held when the activity is done for longer duration. This is for longer duration. The intensity or speed is slow. That is the difference. It is in the fact the combination of circulatory and respiratory. Circulatory means that type of veins your blood is circulate, and respiratory is the circulate and respire in respiratory system, which provides continuous energy of for workout. In other words, this type of activity is anaerobic nature and speed is slow. It delays fatigue, thus it is required for longer distance race, road cycling, cross country and marathon race, football, etc.